Good morning, students. As we were going through this lesson, reflection of light from your subject science. Now, as we have seen reflection of light, then thereafter earlier we have seen kaleidoscope. Then it was a object which was based on reflection of reflected light. Similarly, the another instrument, optical instrument, which is based on reflection of light, reflection of reflected light you can say, is periscope. So today we will learn about periscope. What I told you, periscope is an optical instrument. Optical means which is made up of mirror. Optical instrument. Which is used for several purposes. I'll tell you later on. First we will see how to make a periscope. Okay. So for that what we have to do is we have to take a cardboard of this rectangular shape, and thereafter we have to fix mirror at an angle of 45 degree with this side of cardboard, and here also you have to stick a cardboard, and here also will make it small, and here also we have to, here mirror 1 is there, here mirror number 2, and this also must be parallel with this, means it will be here. This is mirror 1, we will name it as M1, and this is mirror 2, that is M2. Suppose, then thereafter what we have done, we made it parallel, we kept it parallel. This is mirror 1, this is mirror 2. They both are at an angle of 45 degree. Means here 45 degree will be there, and here another cardboard, and here is slit from where you can see, or from means see the other object. Suppose here will be a plant, and you are viewing it from this side. You have to fix it with the help of sellotape. Means this part and this part we have fixed here two mirrors at an angle of 45 degree. They are parallel to each other. Then thereafter what we have to do is we have to see from this side. We have to see from this side. Then what will happen? Here mirror is there, one mirror is here. What will happen? In the rays will be incident here. First of all, we'll see with the one ray, this incident ray will come downwards on this mirror, means in this direction, means this is incident ray. This incident ray will fall on this mirror, and then thereafter it will reflect. That reflected ray will fall on this mirror, then thereafter this ray will fall onto our eye. Okay. Similarly, the other rays will also fall on mirror 1, then thereafter mirror 2. This from mirror 2 reflection was made on mirror 1. Suppose here it is, then this ray will fall onto our eyes, and the image of this plant will be created here. Okay, means this instrument is applicable for those in the submarine, means for submarines which are under the water. So they use this for what is there on the upper surface. Here will be the submarine. So what they do, they use it for what is, suppose any kind of turbulence is there, or any you can say animal is there, means seashore animals are there, shark is there. So they are viewing it from this side. They don't go on the upper surface. They just use this periscope to visualize all the surrounding, means what is on the surface of water. Similarly, this periscope is also used by soldiers to see what is above the ground surface when they are below the ground surface, below the earth. So these are the applications, means submariners and soldiers use this periscope for what is, for observing what is above the surface. Okay, this was all up to what is periscope, how it is made, and its applications. So what we have seen, periscope is an optical instrument which is used for visualizing the upper surface, but from viewing it from the downward surface, below surface. Means if your wall is here, and you are using a periscope, and then what will happen, you will be able to see behind the wall that what is outside the wall. Okay, means this way the periscope can be used for several other purposes. This was all about periscope, its making and advantages. Okay, if you got it, then tell me in the comment section below, or if any difficulty is there, you can tell me in the comment section below. Okay, so the last part is about homework. So today's homework is, I'm giving you simple homework, just do it. And this part is important as per your exam point of view. So I'm sharing a link in description section below, as well as I'm adding a video for you to get clear your ideas about this periscope, its making and its applications. You just watch that video and make your all concepts clear about this. So your homework is, what is a periscope? Give its advantages. As I have told you, similarly that way you have to write what is periscope and you have to write its advantages. Okay, thank you.
Periscope. A periscope is an instrument based on the principle of multiple reflections. It is an optical device which enables an observer to view the surrounding objects from a lower level. Periscopes were widely used in submarines and trenches to observe enemy movements without being seen. Construction. It consists of a long tube bent at right angles twice as shown in the figure. Two mirrors are fixed in the tube at an angle of 45 degrees near the two openings of the tube. Two mirrors are facing each other and they direct the light from the object to the observer. Working. The upper or top mirror forms an image of the object. This image acts as the object for the second mirror at the lower end and produces an image which is seen by the observer. Let us now understand the working of a periscope with the help of a ray diagram.